With the start of this one with tournaments with TB Sigeman and Coaches Tournament in Sweden 2026 with number 2 with Grandmaster in China, Zhu Juner against faces by battle by Grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Norderbeck up to Satorov. So before we start here, so let's see of this one with details here with 8 players here. Okay, so this is a 8 players here with TB Sigeman and Coaches Tournament in Sweden 2026. So it means without finishing here, so it means single round robin, long game here. So it means without between with first world champion by Grandmaster in Norway is Magnus Carlsen and second by Grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Norderbeck Abdusattorov and third by Grandmaster in India is Arjun Erigaisi and also Grandmaster in Netherlands is Jordan van Forest and fifth by same by Sweden by Grandmaster Neil Grandelus here. And also 6 by Young Kid by Grandmaster Turkey Yagis Erdogmus and Young Kid against with USA in Grandmaster Andy Woodward. And also joined by women's here with number 2 with Grandmaster China Zhu Juner here. Okay, so let's see of this one with tips with winners. Okay, with the last year of 2025. So it means winning against Javuskir Sindarov in Uzbekistan. So it means Javuskir joined against that in TPC Giman here. So it means run up by lose by Yagis Erdogmus. And 2024 by Norderbeck up to Satorov here. And 2023 by Peter Zablev in Grandmaster. And 2022 by Grandmaster USA is Hans Mokniman and etc. here. Okay, so let's see the locations here. So it means located by this one by Light Plaza Hotel in Malmö, Sweden. So this is a wonderful place in this hotel here. Okay, so in this round number 1, what do you think about number 2 with blunder ratios against with Jushuner here? So what do you think about this one with analyze of these games here? So let's study of this play chess here. White against with Grandmaster in China, Zhu Juner, and versus Black Pieces by Grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Norderbeck up to Satorov without single round robin here within 1 hour 13 minutes plus 30 seconds increment. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after round number 1. So White plays Zhu is e4, Caro can defense by up to d4, d5, and also push e5, bishop f5, knight d2 with Zhu. So it means with knight d2 by next of knight to b3 here, without defense by this one with pawns here. So it means, so this is the main lines here is also by pawn to c3 here. So this is a examples. So pawn c3 or knight f3. So it means this is a knight f3. So it means with knight d2, new main lines here by Grandmaster Zhu Juner here. And also pawn e6 by up to knight b3 develops by protects by pawns here. And also knight e7. So it is called by this one with openings with Karukan defense, advanced short variations here, without variations. Knight f3. Okay, so it means this is a number 4 by knight f3 here. So without advanced short variations here with number 4 by knight f3. Because this is a movement by this one with position by Zhu Juner. So it means knight f3 is a number 4. And also knight d7 by this one with up to. And also bishop e2 by Zhu by next castling king side here without upcoming by next castling. And also h6 by Abdu with no more by this one with bishop to g5, knight g5. So this is a connected by pass pawn by bad pawns here. Castle king side by Zhu. And also a5. So what the plans by Abdu or next strong a4. So this is a strong a4 or maybe here by b5 here. So this is a next move by transferring by moves here. And also a4 to stop against with more of this one with bad pawns with a4. So this is a 3 steps by 3 moves against with pawn a4 here. And also bishop backwards g6. So according with the year of new move with the year of 2026. So it means bishop g6. This is a new move novelty by this one by Abdu. So without all main lines with the last year of the year of 2025 by FIDE Women's World Championship Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi is queen to b6. So queen b6 here. So this is a queen b6 by playing Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi, so it means game number 7 by PD Women's World Championship. So it means, so this is a year of new move Bishop G6, so this is a backwards with novelty with a year of new 2026 here. So this is a backwards against with more controls by Abdu here. And also Bishop D2 by Zhu here, and also Knight to F5 by Abdu. So this is a controls here, so without determinations. So this is a jumping in against with Knight F5 by Abdu. Rook C1, so what the plans, or maybe here by this one by C4. So C4 here because this is a movement by this one with 3 moves here, so it means Rook AC1. And also Bishop B4, more controls by diagonals with dark square with challenge by Bishop. Queen E1, defense by Bishop, so does not like of this Schuschner movement by Queen E1 here. So without best move this one, once computer is C3. Okay, C3 threatening the Bishop here. So if you Bishop backwards E7 here, Rook E1. So according this one by etc, so this is a good score advantage for whites here. So Queen E1, so this is a mistake bad move by Grandmaster Schuschner. With Abdu is Bishop captured, Queen takes captured, Castle kingside by Abdu, Bishop D3, more controls by disturbance by knights here, and also Queen B6. So this is a with positional, this is a good precise here by with Queen B6 by Abdu. So this is a movement because this is a with more of this one with situational here. So this is a develops by this one by positional move here. Rook Fe1 by Zhu, and also Rook Fc8 by Abdu here. So this is a with more of this one with precise here with 8th rank. And also Rook A1, more controls against Schuschner, and also Knight go back E7 by Abdu, Bishop captured accepted, Knight takes captured, and also Rook A3. So this is a very defense by this one with Knight. So this is a more controls here, or maybe by next of battery. So battery is the next move because this is a more of this one with continuous, or next by this one with C3. Because this is a defense by pawns here. And also with C5 attacks with targets the pawns without threatening the pawns here. Capture this pawn by Zhu, Knight takes with attacks the knights, Knight takes accepted, Rook takes, so this is a more controls by next of this one with battery by Abdu. So this is a movement by this one with Rook. So Rook here, so it means decided by disturbance the pawns here. So this is a together by this one with more of this one with good develops by positional here. And also Rook C3 without advance by challenge by Rook to Rook here. And also Rook takes accepted with accepted, Queen takes captured, and also Knight to E7. So Knight E7 without develops here. So it means this is a more of this one with defense by develops here. And also Knight to D4. So this is a Mr. Blunderacious. So this is a below evaluation bar with whites plots highest against with blacks here with Abdu. So it means with Schuschner with white. So it means Knight D4. So this is a Blunderacious by this one with number 2 by Grandmaster Schuschner. So it means this is a below evaluation bar here. So it means so the best move this one, the one's computer is Queen A3 here. Queen A3, more of threatening the knights here. So with the threats here, so threatening the knights here. So it means Queen A3 is a once of this computer the better move, not Knight D4. This is a Blunderacious here. So according this one by etc, so this is a good score advantage for whites. So once of this one with computer engine, so this is a good move precise here. So without Knight D4 Blunderacious by number 2 GM Schuschner, without first tips for guessing puzzle, what do you think about the with best excelente with Grandmaster Abdu in Uzbekistan? So first guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Rook C8 excelente by Abdu with threatening the with queens here. So it means, so if you movement here, if you move by this one with queens, so it means, so live by this one by defense here. So it means this is a with queens attacks the pawns here. So because this is a rooks with threatening the queens, if you move here with decided by this one with queen a3, so it means queen captured here with 3 pawns here. And without decided is queen d2 by this one by Zhu. And with up 2 is queen captured pawn, so 1 piece down by GM Junior number 2. So this is a, so how many pawns here? So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 pawns. And black is 7 pawns here. So 6 versus 7. And also with h3 by this one with number 2 Junior here. And also queen b4, more challenging by queen to queen. Inaccept by Zhu, queen takes, captured, a5 by Zhu Junior. So without more of this one with push, rook c4. Okay, rook c4 by Abdu with disturbance by threatening the knights, and so it means with threatening the knights here with counters attacks by targets here, and also with rook d1 defense by Zhu Junior here, and also with knight to g6 without disturbance by with up to, so without idea with threatening the pawns by Zhu Junior because the knight g6 by this one by Abdu. Knight f3. Okay, knight f3. So it means without defense. So it means knight f3 here. So it means defense here. So without defense by this one with knight f3 by Zhu here. So it means with rook with threatening the pawns here without dangers against here. So it means 2 pieces left here. And Abdu is rook capture 2 pieces left against with Zhu Junior. 7 versus 5. Okay, 7 versus 5 here. So this is a with targets here. Rook b1 without idea with Zhu with doubles attacks here. So double attacks with first rank. So it means with upwards by rook b files here. And also with rook c4 defense by pawns. Knight d2 cannot let down by Abdu because knight d2 by Zhu. So it means with the idea threatening the targets by rook here. And also rook c5 by this one by Zhu Junior. Rook takes captured here by this one by Zhu. Knight takes captured pawn. So with that idea here, why don't we rook captured here? So it means why don't we rook here? If you rook captured a5, rook captured here. So this is a more of this one with attacks and knight captured. So this is a examples. So it means knight captured here by this one with up to knight b3. Okay, with threatening the rook. So without attacks this one with targets the rooks here. So it means with idea. So this is a threatening the rooks. Without another second example here. So it means, so if you rook captured here, rook takes b7, rook captured here, and also with rook b3. Okay, rook b3. So rook b3 here. So this is a second example explanations here. Okay, without idea, without knight b3, controls by number 2 Zhu Junior with idea threatening the rook here. And also with rook c7 defense by pawns. And also rook b5. Okay, rook b5 here with more of this one with defense the pawns. Knight c4. Okay, what the plans with Abdu? Or maybe by next by this one maneuvers knight d6, or by transferring knight a3 with more control. So it means with threatening the rooks. So it means threats the rooks here. So this is a more next maneuver because this is a according this one by this one with computer. So this is a more of this one with positional move here. King f1 with force move against property active by Zhu number 2. So it means king, king, king. So it means king must be active, force move against with property active. King f8 by Abdu by next up with property active. Move side here by king must be active. So it means this is a movement. And also king e2 good move by Zhu by next up property active king d3 here. King e7 and also f4 good move by this one by Zhu. or maybe by next of g4. So this is a next by g4 here. Knight d6 by Abdul with threatening the rooks here. And also rook b4 here. And also the last move of this one, rook c4 challenged by rook to rook. So it means resigns by number 2 Grandmaster Zhu Junior. So it means why she resigns. For example, if you rook captured here and also captured, so this is a decided by threatening here. So threatening here and also knight here, knight c5. So without upcoming by this one, with more controls with upcoming by promotes here. So it means if you knight here, if you knight here, knight to b5, and also this one by king to d2. So this is a fatal here by this one by continuous. So another here. Okay, if you rook captured here and also knight captured, so the knight takes c4 and also king d3. Okay, king d3 threatening the knights here, and also with king to d6. Okay, king d6 and king c3. So this is a fatal against that for movement here. So this is a fatal by unstoppable here. So it means, so number 2 Zhu Junior is a lost here. I thought number 2 Grandmaster Zhu Junior winner against that. I thought that will chance against wins against number 2 Grandmaster here. Okay, so the score by Zhu Junior 91 points, and the score by this one with Norderbeck up to Saturov 97 points. Okay, so let's see up this one with final results with Sigiman coaches Sweden tournaments with outstandings after round number 1. Okay, the first of 1 points by Grandmaster Norderbeck up to Saturov in Uzbekistan, and second by number 1 points by Grandmaster USA Andy Woodward, 0.5 by Grandmaster India Arjun Erigaisi, and 0.5 against with Turkey with Young Kid by Grandmaster Yagis Erdogmus, and 0.5 by feat by Grandmaster by first world champion Magnus Carlsen, and 6 by Grandmaster Netherlands is Jordan Van Forest, and Sweden by Grandmaster Niels Grandelus here, and so also 0 points here. So it means, so number 8 by Grandmaster Zhu Junior, number 2 in China, I thought would chance against wins with +1 with points here. Okay, so I will skip up this one. I will choose up this one between skip round number 4, round number 5, 6, and 7 here. So I will choose up this one here with soon. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess update. So don't forget by notification below. Mark Logi 17, English speaking, and Mark Logi 17 part 2, Cebuano and Tagalog. And keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.